Well, flooding on the Causeway closed down one of the on-ramps to I-10 this afternoon. News 5's Brianna Hollis has a look at the conditions there.
Yeah, well, this is always one of those trouble spots when we have that combination of high winds and rain. AlDOT directing traffic away from the on-ramp at exit 30 on the Causeway eastbound as crews work to address the flooding. A stretch of the Causeway also down to one lane. You can see no overflow on the Causeway itself, but shoulder lanes and restaurant parking lots are flooded. Reporting from the Causeway, Brianna Hollis, WKRG News 5.